Muthikiriria wakwa wi mwega. Uyu ni Teacher Martin kana murutani Martin, na twi haha niguo tuthome Gikuyu hamwe. Tukianjiriria, as we start, I want first to apologize for the noise. As I mentioned previously, we are still working to get a better recording computer. For this one, the fan is making a lot of noise, but I know that you are going to get the best. So as you listen to this content, remember to subscribe, remember to share the content, remember to like and leave your comment that can help us improve our classes. So without much ado, today we are going to do a lesson number 2 for this year 2025. Common verbs. Common verbs. First one, Korea. Korea. Korea, eat. Second, Wokoma. Wokoma, sleep. Koroga. Koroga. Koroga, jump. Wotideka. Wotideka, push. Woikarathe. Woikarathe, sit. Wotengera. Wotengera. Wotengera, run. Korogama. Korogama, start. Godie magoro. Godie magoro, walk. Kogushia. Kogushia, pull. Let's have some examples in short sentences. Starting with the first here. Korea irio, eating food. Korea goashi, eating sweet potatoes. Korea gima, eating ugali. Korea bebe, eating maize. Korea mogate, eating bread. Korea doma, eating arrowroot. Can you try? Thank you for trying. We go to next. Examples of wokoma. Wokoma mono, sleeping too much. Wokoma hanini, sleeping too little. Wokoma the, sleeping on the floor or ground. Wokoma gete ine. Wokoma gete ine, sleeping on the couch. Wokoma igoro, sleeping on the deck. Wokoma oru, sleeping inappropriately. Exercise. Try this. Thank you for trying. We go to the next. Examples of simple sentences of koroga, jump. Koroga rugiri, jumping over the fence. Rugiri, fence. Koroga igoro, jumping up. Koroga ja, jumping to outside. Ja, outside. Koroga oru, jumping inappropriately. Koroga hanini, jumping a little. Koroga the, jumping down. I'm a jump down. Exercise. Try. Thank you. We go to next. Gutideka, push. First example. Gutideka metha, pushing the table. Gutideka murango, pushing the door. Gutideka gari, pushing the car. Gutideka modo, pushing a person. Gutideka rodhigo, pushing the wall. Gutideka kihigo, pushing the gate. Exercise. Thank you for trying. We go to next. Woikara the, sit down, sitting down. Woikara the, sitting down. Woikara the muno, sitting down too long. Woikara the ja, sitting down outside. Woikara the hanini, sitting down a little. Woikara the nyekine, sitting down on the grass. Woikara the mogekaine, mogeka mat, sitting down on the mat. Then you have your exercise there. Try it. Pause and try. We go to next. Gutengera, run. Gutengera, run. Gutengera musie, rushing home or running home. Gutengera hanini, running a little. Gutengera muno, running too much. Gutengera kiradi, rushing to class or running to class. Gutengera doko, rushing to market. So you find that English is more specific with rushing and running, but in Kikuyu we only have one word, which is gutengera. You have your exercise there. Pause and do the exercise. Next verb, korogama, stud or studying. Korogama ja, studying outside. Korogama igoro, studying on top. Korogama muno, studying for too long. Korogama farafara, studying at the road. Korogama nyekine, studying on the grass. And then you have your exercise there. Pause and try it. Next, godie magoro, walk. Godie magoro duka, walking to the shop. Godie magoro doko or donyo, walking to the market. Doko kana donyo means market. Godie magoro dukuru, walking to school or to the school. Dukuru, school. Godie magoro nyekine, walking on the grass. Nyeki, grass. Godie magoro musie, walking home. Musie, home. You have the exercise there. Pause and try. Next, kogushia, kogushia, pull. Kogushia mukwa, pulling the rope. Kogushia gari, pulling the car. Kogushia faidikiri, pulling the bicycle. Kogushia kehigo, pulling the gate. Kogushia mote, pulling the tree. Okay, so mote, tree, kehigo, gate, faidikiri, bicycle, gari, car, mokwa, rope. Pause and do the assignment. So that is it for some simple Kikuyu verbs. If you have any questions, you are free to contact me on +254 718 317 877 or send an email to martinkarali@gmail.com. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, share, subscribe, and bring your recommendation. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye bye for now.